The village courtyard awakens with the vibrant energy of Eid morning. Children, miniature reflections of their parents, shimmer in bright, festive attire. Amidst the joyous chaos, Hussain sits alone, a solitary figure of quiet sorrow. His worn-out and torn shoes offer a sharp contrast to the colorful clothes around him. Laughter and cheerful chatter fill the air. Yet Hussain remains isolated, enveloped in his own world of sadness. The sounds of Eid celebrations amplify Hussain's solitude, creating a palpable sense of isolation. Mirha observes Hussain from across the room, a silent acknowledgement of his sadness. Quietly, Mirha slips away, a small box concealed in her hands. Approaching Hussain with gentle steps, Mirha extends the box, a hopeful gesture. "These are from my Eid, just be happy." Mirha's words carry a simple, heartfelt wish. Hussain opens the box, revealing a brand new pair of shoes. His eyes widen with surprise and joy. Under the bright village sun, Hussain proudly debuts his new shoes, his face radiant with joy. Mirha and Hussain stroll hand in hand, sharing a moment of pure sibling connection. Hussain greets neighbors with infectious enthusiasm, his new shoes carrying him through the village with newfound confidence. Mirha watches Hussain, her heart filled with warmth as she witnesses his unbridled joy.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.